In this video I'm gonna showcase my app QuickLaunch and how you can easily use it. So I set up some test apps and Python files and txt files and folders with actually even folders inside of folders to simulate a desktop with a lot of apps and folders. I can show you how my desktop looked like before. So as you can see, it was like really messy, lots of stuff, and it just doesn't look nice at all. So you can easily just open the app, quick launch, and this is how it looks. It's easily resizable, and yeah, it looks much better than the Explorer if you open this. It just looks much better. You don't have all the stuff on the side which you don't need. You don't have this stuff, you don't need this. You just have your apps. You can just left click once on the app and it opens the app. You have your folders. You can have folders inside of folders. Unlimited, how you want. Everything gets saved when you close it. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you how you can add stuff to the app. So as you can see on the bottom right, you have the button Add Folder, which just adds a folder. You can just call it test folder. Doesn't really matter. Now you have this folder. You can add a folder inside of that, and you add an app or a text file by clicking Add Item. Now you can just choose what you want to add, for example, CourseForge, and open. Now it's added. But if you have a desktop like I had with all of this stuff, you don't want to manually add everything, all these folders, all these items. This would take lots of time. That's why I added drag and drop. So you can just take the file or the item, drag and drop it into here, and it's added automatically. Now you can do this for multiple stuff, just drag and drop, and they all get added. What you can also do is do the same thing for a folder. So as you can see, it has two things in it, one app and a txt file. Just take it, drag and drop it in, and it gets added as a folder with items inside of them. And you can still open it. This one has a folder inside of the folder, which is also very common. Like I also had folders in folders, obviously. And you can also drag and drop this in. It will add the folder as well with the stuff in it, and this works as well. So what you can easily just do is, let's say this is your desktop, you can just take out of this and drag and drop it in. Now you have all your stuff. Let's say this file I don't want, the script I don't want, this I have in launchers, I don't want this either. So I have all of this, and now I have these two folders with my stuff. Now it just looks much better, and you can go and this stuff you don't need, you can delete it. I'm just gonna drag it away. Now your desktop looks clean again. If you want your stuff, just type quick launch or just quick open it, and now it was automatically saved and you have it again. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, it's completely free. You don't need to sign up or anything. So yeah, have fun.